that? Yeah. Pig. Oh. Look at all the boats. All the boats. What's that? Yeah, what's that? What is that? A boy? What's that? Boy. Boat, yeah. Bird. Right, good job. Let's find some other things. What's that? It's a deer. You say deer? Deer. Bunny, yeah. Plane. You say plane? Yeah. Giraffe. Yeah, the boat. What's that? Butterfly. Yeah. What's a butterfly say? You tell me? It's a daddy. And that's it. That's the boy. Yeah, and the boat's going down the river. Oh, what's this? Cow. Moo. That's right. Cows go moo. Who's this? A woman. You say woman? Is that a hard one? Woman. Owl. Say owl. Ooh, ooh. Bunny. What's this? Fish? Yeah, fish.
The moon.
Wait, oh. Moon. Yeah. Yeah. Remember we just learned this one. What's this? House. Say it. House. What is that? House. House. You say house? What do you think? Boy, yeah. Yeah, a baby doll.
Story. Good job, honey.
You're so smart. Deer, yeah.
Where's the plane?
You show me the plane? Yeah, can you say plane? Plane, yeah. Daddy, that's a daddy and that's a boy.